Ever pondered the differences between a router, a wireless access point, or WAP and a switch? These three devices are all integral parts of network infrastructure, but they each have unique roles and features. Let's start with the router. The primary function of a router is to connect different networks together. This could mean linking your home network to the internet or connecting multiple networks in a business environment. Operating at the network layer of the OSI model, routers are responsible for examining IP addresses in data packets and deciding the best path for these packets to reach their destination across different networks. Routers also perform network address translation, or NAT, which allows multiple devices within a local network to share a single public IP address. And if you're worried about security, routers have got you covered. They typically include basic firewall capabilities to filter both incoming and outgoing traffic based on predefined rules. However, with great power comes great responsibility. Routers require complex configuration for routing protocols, IP addressing, and other network settings. Moving on to the wireless access point, or WAP. These devices provide wireless connectivity within a specific area. They allow devices such as laptops, smartphones, and tablets to connect to a wired network wirelessly. Essentially, WAPs act as a bridge, connecting wireless devices to the wired network and allowing them access to network resources and services. In terms of security, WAPs broadcast service set identifiers, or SSIDs, for users to connect, and provide security measures like WPA2/WPA3 encryption for secure wireless connections. Compared to routers, WAPs are relatively easy to configure. Finally, let's talk about switches. These devices are responsible for facilitating connections between devices within a local network, such as computers, printers, and servers. Operating at the data link layer of the OSI model, switches use MAC addresses to forward traffic between devices within the same network and learn the MAC addresses of connected devices to make forwarding decisions efficiently. Unlike routers, switches do not perform IP routing or network address translation. They're all about creating a network and allowing devices within that network to communicate. As such, they have limited security features compared to routers. To sum up, routers are the gateway between different networks and handle IP routing. WAPs provide wireless connectivity within a network, and switches are all about facilitating connections and data forwarding within a single network. In many network setups, you'll find all three devices working in harmony to create a comprehensive and efficient network infrastructure. So, the next time you're setting up a network, remember it's not a question of router versus WAP versus switch, but rather how these three devices can best work together.